This article discusses the concept of advice-only financial advisors and their appeal to DIY investors who want professional guidance at a lower cost. While many Americans enjoy tackling DIY projects, they often seek education through various resources before starting. Similarly, managing personal finances and investing can also benefit from expert advice. Advice-only financial advisors are a new type of professional who offer financial planning and investment guidance but do not manage clients' investments directly. This approach allows them to provide their services at a more affordable cost, particularly for individuals with significant investment portfolios. These advisors are registered and regulated by the SEC or state regulators, and many hold the Certified Financial Planner certification. They typically charge hourly or flat fees for their services. Although clients are responsible for implementing the recommendations themselves, some advice-only financial advisors offer technology and tools to support DIY efforts. These advisors can be beneficial for DIY investors who want professional guidance, second opinions on investment decisions, or feedback on their financial plans. The article also provides insights on finding the best advice-only financial advisors and suggests questions to ask before hiring one. It highlights the differences between advice-only financial advisors and traditional financial advisors, emphasizing the cost advantage of the former for those comfortable managing their own money. Overall, advice-only financial advisors cater to DIY investors seeking professional guidance and offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional advisors. They can assist with financial planning and investment decisions while allowing individuals to retain control over their portfolios.